Take extra precautions. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County, Wayne County, until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 11 miles north of West Salem and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Whitman, Worcester, Shreve, Creston, Hayesville, Doylestown. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland, and Wayne. A weather message.